Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M33. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, go to menu and enter settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable OK Google. Tap next, agree and continue. Now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that this function is enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google. Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
There will be snow, with a high of -3 and a low of -4.
And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.